Hello! In front of me I have OnePlus watch and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons, the upper or the lower buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and on this panel you should see the Do Not Disturb mode icon, the one that looks like a moon. And to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. The icon should get highlighted, change the color, and also it should say Do Not Disturb for bedtime on, basically. So once the icon changes the color, it's gonna be highlighted. You can close the quick panel, and this means that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. You can also tell by this icon right here at the top of the watch face. Okay, and to disable the Do Not Disturb mode, simply open the quick panel again and tap on the icon again. The icon will get grayed out. It's gonna return to normal color, and it will say Do Not Disturb for bedtime off. Okay. You can also enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode via the settings on your watch. So we can open the settings by opening the quick panel and tapping on the settings icon. In settings you can scroll down, find the option Do Not Disturb for bedtime and tap on it. And here we can turn it on or off by tapping on the switch. And we can also make the schedule for it. So for example, if you want to turn it for it to turn on automatically or turn off automatically. So if you select the Do Not Disturb period 1 and enable it by tapping on the switch, it will pop out the time range. Basically, you can tap on it, and here we can set up the schedule. We can tap on start time, and we can change the hour by swiping up and down on the screen, like that. Then tap OK to confirm, and next we have end time. You can tap on it and set the hour on which it's gonna be turning off, like this, and tap on OK. So this schedule will turn on at 10:30 p.m. and turn off at 6:30 a.m. And once you're done, you can swipe right on the screen. And now the schedule is enabled, and it's gonna work or turn on at 10:30 and turn off at 6:30. And you can enable another one if you want to by tapping on the switch next to Do Not Disturb period 2 and set it however you like. And once you're done, you can simply press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you set up, or rather how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.